Today I will be showing you how to deposit money into your Bamboo wallet on the new app. Now, I understand this might be difficult for you, but don't worry, I'm here for you. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'll be posting more videos like this about investing and making money online. If you are on mobile, don't forget to watch this video in full screen mode so that you can see everything clearly. Now, there are a couple of ways to deposit money into your Bamboo wallet. The first one would be for you to just come here and click on this NGN wallet and go ahead and deposit the money. If you click on dollars, this is for when you want to deposit dollars to your Bamboo account. If you deposit dollars, it will show up here. If you deposit naira, it will show up here. We're going to explore both of them. Now, what I want to deposit in my own case is naira. So click on that, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on deposit. See, up here, as you can see, it shows naira. This is the minimum amount we can basically deposit, which is $1 as of today. And I am going to go ahead and enter 10,000 naira. I entered 10,000 naira because it's 10,000 naira I want to deposit. Now, I have done that. I'm going to click on deposit, and it will ask me which of the options do I want to use. Do I want to deposit with, of course, my ATM card or transfer to a bank account? Well, I would like to use the direct bank transfer because it's cheaper. If I click on that, it will show me my Bamboo account number. Now, anybody that owns a Bamboo account, you, myself, anyone at all, has an account number assigned to them. This is my own account number. This is the bank name. It's Monify. The account name is Monify. The bank name is Sterling Bank. So if I copy this number now and I open my banking app and I want to transfer, I just need to paste the account number, select Sterling Bank, and I can send money to this wallet. Now, again, you are not the only one that owns a bank wallet, a Bamboo wallet. I am also not the only one that owns it. Everybody that uses Bamboo owns a wallet with account number and everything. If we go back here to the beginning, to the very beginning, in fact, and we select US dollar for the wallet, and we click on deposit, and then we select, say, $10. Click on deposit, and we click on brokerage account funding. It will show you your dollar bank account details. It means that if anybody or you send dollars to this account details, you are going to receive dollars in your wallet here. So again, naira wallet, dollar wallet, both of them have their own account numbers. I hope you understand. Now, let's go back to depositing naira. I'll click on NGN wallet, click on deposit, and then I am going to enter 10,000 naira. Deposit 10,000 naira. Now, I'm going to choose direct bank transfer. I'm going to copy my account number. I'm also going to stop here and add that if you give this account number to your friend or family and they send you money to this Sterling Bank account, you receive the naira here in your Bamboo wallet. Up here, you'll see it here. It basically means that anybody can gift you money to buy stocks. Don't forget that. All you have to do is just give them your account number. So I'm just going to click on deposit 10,000 naira, copy my account number, and then I will go to my banking app. This is my banking app, and I'll just click on to bank, and I'll send money to the Sterling Bank account. So I will go ahead and do that now. So I have successfully transferred 10,000 naira from my OPay account to my Bamboo wallet account number. From my experience, sometimes you send money to your Bamboo account number and it could take some time to arrive. It could take 5 minutes, it could take 10 minutes, it could take 15 minutes. So I'm going to pull down here to refresh. While we are waiting for the money to arrive, I am going to go back and show you how I was able to make my balance hidden like this. See, you can't see my money on my stock Bamboo account. It's because I hid it. How did I hide my balance? Well, you come up here to your name and then scroll down. You see an option that says hide portfolio. This is it. So this is what I ticked. I am going to untick it. It will ask me to log in again. I'll do that. And once I go back to that, my wallet now, you can see my money. You can see pretty much everything on my account. So I'm going to go back there and show you. So my portfolio is no longer hidden. As you can see now, you can see the balance here. It still shows 000, but here the transfer has actually gone through, but it just has not appeared on my wallet. Again, it could take 5, 10 or 15 minutes. Keep that in mind. As you can see, the deposit happened. It shows 9,900. It was 10,000 I transferred, but it shows 9,900 because when I was making the deposit, they told me that they are going to charge 100 naira as, see here, as the fee for the direct bank transfer. That is why when we come back here, the amount I received is actually 9,900 because they already took 100 naira as the transfer fee. I'm going to close this Bamboo app and open it again, and hopefully the money is going to show up here. So let me go ahead and do that now. As you can see now, the money is reflecting the 9,900. So that's it. That is basically how you deposit money into your Bamboo wallet so you can buy stocks. You can withdraw the money back if you want, but just keep in mind that they are going to charge you a fee of 45 naira, and the minimum amount you can withdraw is 300 naira, right? I wouldn't suggest using this method because you are basically losing money. You just deposited and you're withdrawing it back for less, and that's not good. So the other thing you can also do is transfer the money from this Naira wallet. You can transfer the money to your dollar wallet. So I'm transferring 9,900 from my Naira wallet to, as you can see up here, it says transfer to USD wallet. So I can also do that, especially if I want to save the money in dollars and leave it there. You can transfer it to your dollar wallet. Where is the dollar wallet? Well, the dollar wallet is right here. If you remember, we had gone over this. This is dollar wallet. This is the Naira wallet now with 9,900 in it. So that's pretty much it. I hope I have been able to show you how to deposit money into your Bamboo account. From here, you can go ahead and go to US stocks and buy the stock you want. You can just leave the money here. You can transfer it from here to your USD wallet if you want, or you can even after transferring it to your USD wallet, you can use it to go ahead and save it as a fixed deposit, which is also known as fixed returns. Don't worry, I'm going to cover all of this later, but for this tutorial, it was basically about how to deposit money into your Bamboo wallet, and I hope I have taught you that. Let me know if you have any questions for me. Thank you.